One wrong buying decision, and you lose more than just your money. It will leave you bleeding dry for years. If you're even thinking about buying a pickup truck, listen carefully. Most people don't lose cash on trucks. They get absolutely crushed by hidden repairs, unreliable engines, and vehicles that quietly fall apart when you need them the most. And if you ignore what I'm about to show you, you're not just missing out. You're signing up for regret, frustration, and thousands wasted on junk that pretends to be tough. This isn't about flashy new trucks or overpriced hype machines. This is about the cheapest pickup trucks that refuse to die. The ones owners hold on to for decades because they simply don't break. These are the trucks people overlook, until it's too late. Let's find out what I'm talking about. Number 7. Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier is one of those trucks people constantly underestimate, and that's exactly why it's such a steal. It doesn't scream for attention. It doesn't try to impress. And because of that, it quietly became one of the most reliable mid-size pickups ever built. Under the hood, most Frontiers came with the legendary 4.0-liter V6 engine producing around 261 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. It's not the most fuel-efficient engine, but that's not the point. This engine is massively overbuilt, simple in design, and known to cross 300,000 kilometers without major issues. The 5-speed automatic transmission is equally robust, with fewer electronics to fail compared to modern trucks. A small business owner in New Jersey passed on a used Frontier because it felt outdated compared to newer models loaded with screens and features. He instead bought a newer, cheaper, compact truck. Within 3 years, he had spent more on repairs than the Frontier would have cost him outright. Meanwhile, the Frontier he ignored is still running today, owned by someone else who barely touches a mechanic. That's the pattern. People chase modern gimmicks and ignore bulletproof engineering. Number 6. Ford Ranger. The Ranger, especially the global version, has built a reputation for being nearly indestructible, particularly in harsh environments. This isn't a city truck. This is a machine built to survive punishment. It's powered by engines like the 2.2-liter and 3.2-liter Duratorque diesel units. The 3.2-liter inline-5 produces around 197 horsepower and a massive 470 newton-meters of torque. That torque delivery is what makes it unstoppable under load. These engines are designed for longevity, with heavy-duty internals and simple, rugged construction that thrives under stress. A contractor from Ohio dismissed the Ranger because it didn't have the premium feel of newer lifestyle trucks. He went for a trendier option. Within 2 years, downtime from breakdowns started affecting his business. Missed deadlines, angry clients, lost contracts. The Ranger he ignored? Still hauling loads daily for a competitor who understood its value. This is what people don't realize. Reliability isn't flashy, but it pays dividends every single day. Number 5. Toyota Tacoma. The Tacoma has become almost mythical when it comes to reliability, and for good reason. This truck has a cult following because it just doesn't quit. Most Tacomas from this era came with a 4.0-liter V6 engine pushing about 236 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque. What makes it special isn't raw power, it's consistency. The engine is engineered with Toyota's signature reliability standards, meaning fewer breakdowns, minimal wear, and exceptional long-term durability. Even the 5-speed automatic and 6-speed manual transmissions are known for their longevity. A buyer in Connecticut once skipped a used Tacoma because the price seemed too high for an old truck. Instead, he bought a cheaper alternative with more features. Within 18 months, transmission issues and engine overheating turned that deal into a financial nightmare. Tacoma? It would have easily run another decade without major repairs. Sometimes the expensive option is actually the cheapest, if you understand longevity. Number 4. Chevrolet Colorado. The Colorado doesn't always get the respect it deserves, but in terms of reliability per dollar spent, it's one of the smartest buys out there. The standout engine here is the 2.8-liter Duramax turbo diesel, delivering around 181 horsepower and 500 newton-meters of torque. That torquey figure is serious. It allows the Colorado to tow, haul, and endure heavy usage without straining the engine. The diesel platform is particularly known for its durability, with many units crossing high mileage without major internal failures. There's a story of a logistics operator from Texas who ignored the Colorado because he assumed Chevrolet's service network would be an issue. He went with a more popular brand instead. Within a few years, repeated breakdowns forced him to constantly rotate vehicles, increasing operational costs. Meanwhile, a competitor running older Colorados kept operating smoothly with minimal downtime. This is where perception kills smart decisions. If you've made it this far, you're starting to see a pattern. And trust me, it gets even more brutal from here. The next trucks on this list are even cheaper to own, even tougher, and even more ignored by people who think they know better. And the number 1 truck? That one borders on ridiculous. It's so reliable, it almost feels unfair. Let's get straight back into it. Number 3. Honda Ridgeline. This is probably the most misunderstood pickup truck ever made. People dismissed it for not being a real truck because of its unibody design. But that same design is exactly why it lasts so long with fewer issues. Under the hood, it carries a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing around 247 horsepower and 245 pound-feet of torque. This is one of Honda's most proven engines, smooth, refined, and incredibly durable when maintained properly. The all-wheel drive system is also far less complex than traditional 4x4 setups, which means fewer components that can fail over time. A 45-year-old farm owner once laughed at the Ridgeline, calling it a car pretending to be a truck. He chose a traditional body-on-frame pickup instead. Within a couple of years, suspension issues, drivetrain repairs, and constant maintenance started piling up. Meanwhile, the Ridgeline he mocked is still being driven daily by another owner who's barely spent anything beyond routine servicing. People confuse toughness with complexity. The Ridgeline proves that simplicity often wins. Number 2. Toyota Tundra. This is one of the most brutally dependable full-size trucks ever sold in the United States. It doesn't try to be clever. It doesn't rely on complicated tech. It just delivers raw, consistent reliability year after year. Under the hood, the standout is the 5.7-liter I-Force V8 engine, producing around 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. This engine is famously overbuilt, with a timing chain instead of a belt, and a reputation for crossing 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Paired with a durable 6-speed automatic transmission, the drivetrain is designed to handle serious abuse without flinching. A contractor in California passed on a used Tundra because he thought the fuel economy was too poor compared to smaller trucks. He went with a more efficient, modern option instead. Within a few years, constant repairs and downtime started costing him jobs and credibility. Eventually, he switched to a used Tundra anyway, and realized the money he saved up front had cost him far more in the long run. This is the kind of mistake people make all the time. They focus on short-term savings and ignore long-term durability. The Tundra doesn't win on paper. It wins where it actually matters. On the road, under pressure, year after year. Before we hit number 1, understand this. Everything you've seen so far is reliable. But the next truck? This one is in a league of its own. It's cheaper than you think, tougher than it has any right to be, and ignored by people who end up paying the price later. Number 1. Ford F-150. This is already the best-selling truck in the world, but this particular generation with the 5.0-liter V8 engine is where things get serious. This engine is a workhorse in the purest sense of the word. The engine generates around 360 horsepower and 515 Newton-meters of torque. It's not just powerful, it's incredibly durable, with a design that balances performance and longevity. Paired with a strong 6-speed automatic transmission, this setup has proven itself across millions of units, often crossing extreme mileage with proper care. A small fleet owner once from Orlando skipped this F-150 because he was tempted by a newer turbocharged alternative promising better fuel efficiency. On paper, it looked like a smart move. In reality, those turbo engines became a maintenance nightmare. Expensive repairs, frequent breakdowns, and constant frustration. The older F-150 he ignored? Still running strong in another fleet, doing the same job without drama. This is where people get trapped. They chase new instead of proven, and they pay for it. Step back and look at what you've just seen. 7 trucks, all overlooked, all relatively affordable, and all built with one thing in mind: lasting longer than most people expect. If you take anything from this video, let it be this: reliability isn't about brand hype, touchscreens, or modern features. It's about engineering that holds up when everything else starts to fail. The wrong truck will drain your wallet slowly, painfully, and relentlessly. The right one will quietly save you for years. And if you found this breakdown useful, don't just watch and walk away. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the next video might just save you from your next expensive mistake.